AVAV stock analysis and AVAV stock prediction. What I will be doing here is showing you my exact play with AeroVironment stock. Already sitting at $278.13 with with 2% up just Friday. Honestly, as I'm just observing this, I'm not going to immediately look for longs or anything similar. I mean, having done this for 5 years and over 42,000 videos documented, I'm going to stick to a rule-based system. I do have my discretion and all that good jazz. But just unless I see some sort of a shift here, there's no I'm buying. You might like to overcomplicate it, but it's not me. So how's this going to look like? It's very simple. If there's no pull down, there is no buying from my end. Super simple. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm waiting. Not going to be that guy that's going to pop up here and just look for longs trying to force stuff. No. So if you want to get the exclusive sales that take me 5 years to learn, click the first link in the description. Risk-free, 1,276 people have already gotten it. Goodbye.